Hey guys! So, Instagram celebrated its 10th birthday this week, and to mark the occasion, they added a secret feature that makes it possible for you to change the Instagram icon on your phone. So, I posted this on my Instagram yesterday and have gotten so many questions from you guys about how to do that, and some of you even told me that it doesn't work for you. So, let's go through the process step by step. First of all, you have to make sure that your app is updated. For majority of you who say that it doesn't work, you just have to update the app. You can do that by going to the App Store, typing in Instagram, and updating the app by clicking here. Mine is already updated, so I don't have that option, but if yours is not, it should say update here. Then let's open the Instagram app and go to settings. Once you're here, swipe down a few times and the new icons will show up. Alright, so then just choose your favorite one, and here it is. Let me know which icon you chose in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.